ready?
Ready.
Audience, are you ready? Yes, Defiant is in the mini Defiant in red square, Flippin the bird in blue square. Alrighty, let's count it down. 3, 2, 1. Fight, robots, fight! Both bots coming out with a slow start. Flippin the bird trying to flip over mini Defiant. Flippin the bird managing to keep mini Defiant's weapon at bay. Flips him over. Mini Defiant trying to get around, trying to find some body parts of Flippin the bird. He can't seem to manage. Mini Defiant gets a good strike off the side. Flippin the bird. Mini Defiant is dead. Flippin the bird is keeping that flat base still. Flippin the bird using Mini Defiant as a hat. He blinds into the wall. Flippin the bird flips over but reverses. One of the front rocks on Flippin the bird starting to get a little bent. Mini Defiant gets a strike off. Flippin the bird goes flying.
30 seconds.
30 seconds till pit doors open. Mini Defiant finding a little bit of purchase. Pit door opens in 20 seconds. Mini Defiant getting pressed up against the wall. Mini Defiant upside down. Pit door open in 10 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pit door is open. Mini Defiant currently on top of Flippin the bird. Flippin the bird trying to navigate Mini Defiant over, but Mini Defiant not going down without a fight. Both bots gaze as close to the pit. Mini Defiant reverses. Mini Defiant getting underneath Flippin the bird. Trying to make those strikes. 1 minute left in the match. Mini Defiant currently being used as a hat. Flippin the bird pushing him over towards the pit. 45 seconds left in the match. Mini Defiant on top of Flippin the bird once again. 30 seconds left in the match. Mini Defiant trying to get purchased back on Flippin the bird. Flippin the bird not quite letting him have it. 15 seconds left in the match. Mini Defiant going for the stroll. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Last in the match. We're looking to keep judges' decision.
Good job, man.
Yeah, you
Get some good hits up. Got the fork bend up too.
All right, and the winner by judges' decision is Flippin the bird in the blue square.